What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video. Tonight, right now, there's an update for a new shotgun. Whoa, okay. We just had a combat shotgun. Now we got a drum shotgun. Now we're getting another one? Another shotgun? Come on, Epic Games. We have like 5 shotguns in one game. Come on, Epic Games. Come on. We have 5 shotguns. We got pump. We got the tac. We got the combat. We got the... No, actually 4 shotguns. Never mind. We got the pump, the tac, the combat, and the drum. The drum shotgun. Now we're getting a new shotgun, which is a tactical shotgun. Okay. And there's an update coming up. Stay tuned for a live stream for the update. I will be going live around midnight, around midnight, to record this update. And also, we got 3 days left for the Robot versus the Monster event for Season 9. Then when Season 10 comes out, you guys out there, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button and make this Fortnite channel go up, okay? I just got this Fortnite channel started and all that, okay? So, we're getting a new shotgun, other stuff that's, you know, starting. Okay, the robot now has another arm, another other part of the arm and the hand, but there's no weapons to the robot. So I'm thinking that the robot's going to use its fist and go bam to the monster. But it surprised the Fortnite community that there's a jetpack on the robot. Yeah, there's a jetpack on the robot, so that means the robot will be flying. So that means we see this big chunk of metal robot flying around the map, finding this freaking this monster. But here's the thing: if you guys please subscribe and like this video, and comment down below your epic gamertag name, so that I can add you on Fortnite, and I will gift you guys a $25 gift card for Xbox or PC or PlayStation, whatever. So stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned for the live stream, which will be going on at midnight. Stay tuned, okay? And also subscribe to Super Serial Jr., which is my cousin. And if this video gets up to 50 likes, the default that I'm at, if you guys hit the 50 like goal, I will go and buy him a $25 gift card and get him into a party chat and talk to him saying, congratulations, you just received a $25 gift card from me. And he can buy the Season 10 Battle Pass, okay? So, you guys out there, the DJX Gamer clan out there, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and get up to that 50 like goal, okay? Please do that. If you guys want to see another video of me and this other guy, this other kid that has a default skin, the only thing he has is weapon skins for his weapons. That's it. So what I'm going to do is gift him a $25 gift card, which is 2,800 V-Bucks. So stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for other events, okay? And also, you guys will get transferred from the phone to that this thing right here. I will transfer you guys from there to here so that you guys can see what's going on. Okay? Right now, I'm playing GTA 5 online by myself because I want to cut down time so that I can do planning, live streams, and all that. I'm going to do a live stream on Twitch. Stay tuned for that. My Twitch name is DJXGamer. Go look for it. It's pretty cool. It's my first time live streaming on Twitch. So yeah, if you guys hit the like goal, 50 likes, 50, not 20, not 40, not 60, 50 likes, because if that like goal hits up to 50 likes, I will get him a $25 gift card and get him into a party chat. So, yep, we're going to get a new shotgun. Lovely. But you guys know out there that I do not like the combat shotgun. I do not like it. I hate it. Then since the new drum shotgun came out, I tried it and it's pretty good. I like it. But since when I was playing Season 4, Season 5, my favorite gun of all time, it will never change, definitely will not change, is the pump shotgun. I hear people right now saying, oh, the combat shotgun is better. Oh yeah, pump shotgun is weak and the combat shotgun is better. No. That's not true. If you had experience with the pump shotgun and get it the way that you guys think, if it's comfortable, which one do you guys do? Vote in the comments down below which one you'd rather have, the pump shotgun or the combat shotgun. And if whoever has the most of the pump shotgun or the combat shotgun, one of those groups will have a chance of winning a $25 gift card. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the like button. Peace to all DJ X Gamer fans.